So you're thinking about buying a rental vacation property in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Well, I am here today to walk through a really nice property about 14 miles down Fort Morgan Road, looking for some clients who are interested in this one, and amazing rental potential on this one. So I'm here checking it out for them. They live 3 or 4 hours away, and wanted me to come take a look at it. Want to give a shout out to the listing agent, Vicki Lynn with Vicki Lynn Real Estate. She's a long-time seasoned agent here locally. I've worked with her plenty of times over the years. A lot of respect for her, and she's a great agent, and want to give her a shout out for letting us film this while we're out here looking for our clients. So here we are, and I figured while I was here I'd go ahead and film it for you guys too, and let you guys take a look at this. So come check it out with me. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first people to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner, Andy Hollis, and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live here, vacation here, and own property here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about buying or selling, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, here at this really nice, this is a raised beach home built in 2015, down Fort Morgan Road, where you can get a better bang for your buck, but still get a really good rental investment property, especially on a house. The HOA fees are $200 a year, so they're nominal. The Gulf is right there. You see that house that I'm pointing at? The Gulf is right there. So we're probably 4 tiers back. It has a pool. This is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Built in 2015, it's almost 2,300 square feet. It's got 2 living areas, a really, really nice house. And the greatest part about it is, you know, my rental property manager is very high on this one because it's got the pool. So, I mean, he thinks it could do as much as $150,000 a year. And with purchase price being, or asking price rather, being $975,000, this one is definitely one that you're going to want to check it out. So come walk through with us and take a look. All right, here we are. The front steps, all this wood has been stained, and it looks really good. Come up here, come up the stairs, and come right in to the, I guess this is the second floor. Come into a private living space for this quarters, which is nice. And we'll go down those stairs. That takes you down to the ground floor where you've got underneath parking, and then upstairs to a whole nother level of living. Owners have done some nice things, some hooks there, and I'm willing to bet that this couch pulls out, and it does. And we got a balcony there leading out to the pool. We'll go check that out in just a minute. Full-size washer and dryer here in this closet. Full-size bathroom here. Come in here, and you got a king bed in here. A flat screen TV there. Got a dehumidifier there, keeping this room very cool. Standard closet there. And this unit is currently rented right now. I did some nice little things I saw in the other bathroom too. They put this decor up around the bathtub and this stand-up shower. I've never actually seen that down here. Kind of cool. I imagine it is helping to keep that sheetrock protected from water splashing back. So got a private bathroom here off this bedroom, and you saw the shared bathroom, and then there's 2 more bedrooms here, and I believe that is a queen. TV there. Another closet the same size as what we just saw. Bedroom number 3. View of the pool. We'll go out there in just a minute. And then that is kind of set back there with the dresser and TV. And another just typical closet there. And again, I wanted to point out this here. Unusual, but I like it, and it blends in with the tile. I'm sure it is serving a purpose. Let's go out here to this balcony. This has all recently been painted, stained. This is really nice porch furniture here. It all looks new. This material holds up very well in our climate. I've always point those out just because it is expensive, but it is nice to have like that. Those chairs, and then you overlook the private pool. This lot is 100 feet wide by 200 feet deep. We've got a little fire pit out there. Some solar lights there for at night. It goes all the way down. Nice touch. And then you've got the lights strung around the pool. So there is the main entry door there that we came in through. Now we'll go upstairs to a full living room, kitchen, and primary bedroom space. So we've got tile floor here. Big L-shaped couch. Hot screen TV. Heat ceiling fan. Couch, sofa table. Large island here. And considering there's no actual dining room, they've got dining out on the balcony. This is really nice to have. You know, when you're vacationing with family, you want to kind of all hang out around the kitchen and still have access to the living room, TV, all that stuff. Again, this is interesting here. Not typical, I guess, decor, but we are on Driftwood Drive, so absolutely playing off of that theme, which I think is cool. Definitely gives it some character. Pantry here, stove, hood vent, wine cooler. Big, nice double sink like that. Like the nice faucet, and looks like that dishwasher looks pretty new. Side-by-side fridge. And then we've got the convenient half bath off the living area. Gotta have that, it's really nice. And hall coat closet, if you will. And another secondary washer and dryer. Wasn't expecting that. That is a really nice feature. Thought that was going to be a linen closet. Here is the primary. Nice size closet. Tile going all the way up. And here's the linen closet. Let's go check out this dining area out here. So, got a sofa out here, so really deep balcony, and plenty of room for a table and 6 chairs around there. Plenty of room for another table and chairs there if you wanted to add to. And here is the view from the back balcony. And if you can see, that blue roof is directly on the Gulf. Gives you some perspective of how close you are. That greenhouse down there is directly on the Gulf. Again, 100 feet by 200 feet deep, 100 feet wide by 200 feet deep. Go down and check out the pool. So go down this way. Got some more driftwood here. These stairs look like they have been stained, and the handrails, they're in good shape. Got secondary fridge, also very nice to have. And more storage here. That looks like an owner's closet there. So, got big pilings, they're in really good shape. Golf cart. It's nice to have some more outdoor seating with the grill. And I think all of this has been added to kind of help enclose the area, make it feel a little bit more private. So that's a nice touch. Again, more seating there. See if this storage is open. Oh. So umbrellas provided for your enjoyment. So they've got that locked, but they're giving storage access there to the renters. There's your pool equipment. It's nicely enclosed, so it's not an eyesore. And then it says no pets in the pool area. Ugh. The pool looks like it's in excellent shape. All right, beach access here with your golf carts. There you go. People got their tents set up for the day. Very quiet down here, never too crowded. This is peak season and yep, just not crowded at all and very quiet. All right, from here, go see the proximity to the house. And I guess it's not like that critical because it's got a golf cart. So that's nice.
Runs deep and the Gulf Coast breeze rocks you right to sleep. We sip sweet tea, watch the kids all play, living like heaven's just a beach away. You can rent it out or call it home, but either way you'll never be alone, 'cause this ain't just a place to chase your schemes, it's a barefoot, sun-drenched driftwood dream.
And here is Driftwood Drive. It's a pretty house there. And then you're about halfway down the street right here. All right, guys, that is going to just about do it for our walkthrough tour here. Driftwood Drive down Fort Morgan Road. We're in the Surfside Shores subdivision. This property is, again, it's 100 feet wide by 200 feet deep, so decent sized lot. This house is right at 10 years old. It's in really good shape, condition, I should say, for its age. I don't think this pool was original. I think it was added later. It looks really new. Rental potential is amazing on it. So a lot of potential with this one. Taxes are $5,800 a year. HOA fees are $200 a year. If you want some more details on how the return on your investment would shake out on this one, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to help you with an investment property. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to our little slice of paradise. And hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
Mornings to those sweet southern nights, and welcome to paradise where the waves meet the shore. Every day's an adventure.